guys, welcome to Koma Acha. We will draw a leprechaun. To start, we draw a half oval and a circle for our eyes. There. Now, two very short lines for the pupil. Then we draw a straight line and curve down like so. A short line out, then a long curve across for the upper lips. Very good! And two short lines for the smile. Now we draw down and to the right, then connect from the top. After that, we curve down from here to wrap around. And back up to finish his face. Now we will draw two lines up here. Then a short line here with zigzag up top for her eyebrow. Followed by the same one. And then we will connect the face. Wonderful! From here, we draw down and out, then zigzag down slightly. To our left, we will repeat the same. From here, the time lapse will take care of the complete beard, ears, and two curves lined up top. We will draw to the right and curve down slightly like a heart shape. Then a curved line in between. Very good! We will draw a straight line here. Two straight lines up and then a curved line across for our final head detail. Down in the center, we will draw a small circle. Then two small heart shapes for his bow tie. Some short lines for the definition. After that, we'll draw a straight line out from here and here for the arm. And then draw down like so. Then we will draw small bumps and straight lines for our sleeve. We draw a few short curves like so for the hand. There, perfect. On the left, we draw 2 short lines again and up. Then, short curves and lines across for another curve. We'll now give him a thumbs up. We draw up to the right. A few short curves like so. Now for his song. Slowly, we will draw his shirt with a few straight lines here. Very good! Now, we'll draw some stripes to show his tucks. A few short lines. And done. Next, we'll give him shorts. We draw down. A short lines in the center and the 2 short curves across. Now, some short curve for the detail. For his legs, we go down with 2 lines each. Now, some stripes and the collar for his boots. It should have a donut shape like this. For our last part, 2 curves in the center. From here, we curve out to shape a leprechaun's boots. A line for each foot. Down here, we draw down for the last part. And yes, all finished. That's it, guys. Hope to see you again very soon.